If you like ABC soup, you have to try this recipe. It is as hearty and as easy to make. Today we are making apple pear soup. I know it sounds really weird, but it's so tasty and a great cough remedy. I also used to make this soup a lot when my fiance was unwell and home from a long days of work. And also when it's raining. Today we are using two types of pork ribs. This is what the market calls soft bone ribs, and this is soup bone ribs. As per most Chinese soups, we want it as clear as possible. So for the pork ribs, we're gonna blanch it beforehand and then strain it and then wash the pork ribs and then add it back into the pot. Next, we're gonna soak the white fungus while we prep the rest of the ingredients. This soup is great as a home cough remedy because of certain ingredients inside that helps you run fei, which also translates to clear the lungs. Your white fungus, your Nan Xing, pear, red dates, must try. We're almost done. Just need to bring it to boil, lower the heat and leave it to cook for about an hour and a half. Oh yeah, if you have a pressure cooker, just need to set it on high for 30 minutes and then you're done. Super easy! Okay, see you in 1 hour.
Meanwhile...
Why?
Okay. Shook! It's sweet, it's savory. Wow. See the pork, is it tender? That's why. Buy the soft bone. Wow. Oh, life hack. Whenever you have like pork bones, a bit of meat that you want to eat it with fish sauce. Change your life.